Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to increase hot water temperature. And I'm gonna show you two ways how you can do it. So the first one is gonna be adjusting the temperature on your hot water heater. Turn off the power to the heater. Most electric water heaters will have two thermostats, one upper and one lower under the two control panels. Some smaller units may only have one thermostat. If your heater has been insulated, you may need to remove the insulation to access the thermostat. Pull the wire and lift the insulation. Before adjusting the temperature, I want you to read a manufacturer information regarding water temperature and time to produce serious burns on adult skin. After you read this information, now you can adjust temperature on the thermostat. The best temperature setting for a hot water heater is between 120 and 140 degrees. Above 140 degrees, the water is so hot that you and family members can be at risk for scalding in as little as 2 seconds. Once you adjusted the temperature, now put the insulation back in place and lock it with a wire. Install the access panel and secure it with a screw. Adjust both thermostats to the same temperature setting. To avoid a shortage of usable hot water, do not adjust the upper thermostat to a temperature setting that is higher than the lower thermostat's temperature setting. Fold the insulation back in place and lock it with a wire. Replace the access panel. Wait for the water to heat up. It may take several hours for a tank of cold water to heat up. Before adjusting the temperature, my 10P relief valve was warm. Now just in 15 minutes it's getting hotter and it's a really good sign. The second one is gonna be adjusting the temperature on your shower valve. This is Arjen & Roth tap and shower faucet, and now I'm gonna show you how to adjust the temperature on the shower valve. First, remove the handle assembly and a scutcheon. As you can see on the bottom it says colder and the arrow points up. And here on the top it says hotter and the arrow points down. And to adjust the temperature we need just to pull up this piece and turn it to the hotter position and lock it back in place. And that's it. Before installing the handle, you should take this opportunity to measure the temperature of your water again. I like the temperature, so I'm gonna just screw everything back in place. In the second bathroom we have delta shower valve, and as you can see, here we don't have to remove an escutcheon to adjust the temperature. For the hotter water, adjust the stop ring in a counterclockwise direction and reinstall the stop ring onto the cartridge assembly. And that's it. Then install everything back into place. And this is it, guys. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.